Hey beauties, it's me, Alegra. Babes, I am literally in shock right now. I just used a new product last night and I woke up today and my skin was looking like this. And I was like, what? I need to come tell you guys as soon as possible because I'm literally in shock right now. When I saw my complexion today, of course I did do my brows already and my lashes, of course. But other than that, this is how I woke up with my skin looking. And the only thing that I did, believe it or not, I can't believe it myself, my skin hasn't looked like this in I don't know how long. But I used this last night. This is the Clarins Bright Plus. It's a milky serum. So it's a advanced brightening dark spot correcting serum. I couldn't wait, guys. That's why I got so inspired. I was like, I need to come and tell you guys. So here's what it looks like. It is a really unique type of bottle. So you kind of pump it, and then there is a syringe-like type of dispenser for the serum. It's a thicker serum. Like I said, it's a milky serum. So it's a little bit on the thicker side than your traditional serum, but oh my god, it is amazing, amazing, amazing. Literally, I was so inspired to come and show this to you guys because I haven't really seen such a huge difference in my skin in forever. I feel like, to be honest, I feel like this is what I used to look like when I was like 10, 20 years ago. When I was like a teenager. My skin was like plump and it was very bright. And you know, I would use skincare products. I wake up the next day and my skin would look amazing. That doesn't really happen anymore, but it happened today, guys. It happened today with this product. So I could not recommend this more. I will put more of the information down below. I did receive this from Clarins in the Optoli family, so thank you so much for sending it to me to try. So I'm going to finish getting ready now, guys. I really don't have anything planned for today. I'm just going to head to the post office and send out a bunch of packages. Thank you guys so much for everybody who has purchased my Alegra Chetti beauty mist. I'm going to put this on now because I'm going to do some makeup. It feels so good. I do use this to prep and prime before, I use it before I put on my makeup, and then I use it after or even during my makeup application. It just makes your makeup last so much longer, look much more radiant. So I am having right now on my website, you can use code GLAMLIFE and you'll receive a 5-piece luxe makeup and beauty box with your Alegra Chetti beauty mist order. So it is a makeup and beauty mystery box. Each box is different and unique. It is curated and put together and shipped out and everything by me. So each box is different. So you always get something new and fun and unique in your beauty mystery box. All you have to do, like I said, is use code GLAMLIFE and you will receive that 5-piece luxe mystery box, that glam box, free with your Alegra Chetti beauty mist order. I'll have it linked below, or I have a little card up here. So anyway, guys, I figured I would just get ready with you guys really quickly. Let's see where we're at. I'm just gonna do a quick girl. Oh, there's my husband's knocking on the window, guys. Okay. I'm just gonna get ready really quickly with you guys. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a curl today with my hair. I'm gonna use this BB Glow. This is from Bumble. This is a thermal heat protection mist. But it also gives your hair shine and manageability, and it just makes your hair look incredible. It's not sticky whatsoever. So I'm just gonna spray this throughout my hair. It smells so good. It really does. It's just such a nice light scent. So you can just go spray it all over. So like I said, this is going to heat protect but also reduce frizz and give you just a great shine to your hair. So, and then I go ahead and just brush that through. So guys, I'm just, you know what I said, guys, I'm just really not going to worry. I get so stressed out worrying about lighting, worrying about this and that. And then when I set all my lighting up, I get very stressed out. Is it right? Because a lot of times it's not right, no matter how hard I try. So, and I just want to hang out with you guys, you have no idea how happy you guys make me. I really needed to come talk to you guys today, and of course I am so happy about my skincare, but I just really needed to come to say hi. You have no idea how much you uplift me, and you guys changed my life, seriously, because I can't even begin to describe what you guys have done for me today. I was just having kind of a rough day. And I mean, of course, I wanted to share that product with you guys, but that inspired me to come share it with you. But now that I'm talking, I'm so happy and I feel so uplifted. So thank you guys so much. So it's so much fun to come and have people to talk about you love makeup and beauty with, because you guys probably know, but like in the regular world, a lot of people don't appreciate makeup and beauty. You know, they think a lot of people used to think I was weird for liking makeup and beauty. But anyway, I'm so happy, guys. My husband put a mirror in our room here, so now I can look in the mirror. So I'm so happy, because that's why I'm looking over there. But I want to show you guys my outfit. I'm wearing a cute little robe for today. It's like pinstripe. So it's because it's getting pretty hot out. Oh, my skin, I feel so good about my skin today. I actually don't even know if I need makeup. I actually feel so good, I don't even want to wear makeup. That's how good I feel. Well, of course I have on my lashes and my brows. And I just feel like I don't even need anything else. That's weird. But that's great. I just feel so good. Plus, you know, I got a lens, so this would be like a chit chat, get hair, get kind of ready with me. Guys, I have another video I'm going to show you guys. But I gotta tell you guys, we'll call this a hair get ready with. My husband just scared me. He was looking at me in the window. Oh, I gotta show you one thing I saw. I don't get it. I'll be right back. So, guys, I wanted to show you this from the other day. I used it, and I bought it a while ago, but it needs to be paired with the right lipstick to look the way I like it, the way it looks now. I love it. This is NYX Moonwalk, and it has to be paired with a nude, cool toned lip. The first time that I used it with like a warm, must have been on the warm side lipstick, and it didn't look right together. But when you pair this with a nude, wait till you see how it comes out. I'm in love it now. It's my favorite. So this is the lip liner. Oh, see, I can use this mirror to do my makeup too. I'm so happy. I didn't even have the space for a mirror. So if it looks wonky, I'm sorry. But I'll fix it. I'm just, like I said, I'm just doing a quick demo. But then I love it with this. This is Dose of Colors in Can You Not. So together, I hardly ever find a lip combo that I love. And this lip combo, I was like, girl, what? I hope it looks okay. I'm not really sure right now. It just makes your lips look huge. It's amazing. It's like $4.99. I have another one coming in the mail that I just ordered, NYX Coffee. So I'll let you know when that gets here how that works out for me. So guys, I don't know how I look, but I feel so good about myself. I'm not even gonna put on any more makeup. So I'm just gonna use some of this memory mist from Ouai. I'm having a good hair day now. Wow. And I'll just put on a little bit of mascara. This is the Mercier Caviar mascara. It's so nice. This is just like my favorite look now, just lashes, brows, and lips. I just feel so good about myself with this, and my beauty mist, of course. Oh guys, I gotta show you now. I gotta use this. This is my anti-frizz serum from Alterna. This is so amazing. I just never want to get out this. It just smooths all the flyaways, especially. I don't, just on top, I like it mostly. Just when there's flyaways. So thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I love you guys so much. I hope you're all doing amazing. Remember to stay safe, stay positive, stay focused on good things. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.